Hi, I'm Pete, lead designer here at Autoshop Solutions. We're an automotive marketing agency that specializes in websites and digital marketing solutions. Today, we're here to discuss the second topic in our series, the importance of brand cohesiveness, creating an eye-catching logo. Last month, we discussed how brand cohesion for your business starts with an eye-catching logo that truly represents your brand and company. You should choose a color scheme that pairs with the company's personality and pick a font that's in line with the tone and voice of your shop. Use imagery that complements the whole process to reinforce the shop's image. Setting up your company's branding starts with a good logo. It's essential to your success and getting your business recognized to set the tone early on. Your logo represents who you are and makes you stand out from the competition. Having an effective logo helps your business recognition and identifies you more easily. Here are some things to keep in mind when creating your logo. Make sure it communicates what you do or the service you provide. Your logo needs to allow growth for your business. Will it scale with your business if you add more locations or offer different services? Don't limit yourself by using a specific kind of car or including a single service. It should match and create the correct tone for your business. Do you have a fun and professional environment? Do you work on high-end cars or classic vehicles? Do you offer general repairs, all makes and models? Think about how you want to portray yourself and what you want to provide now and in the future. Is your logo unique? Make sure it stands out from your competitors and is memorable for your customers. A reverse image search is a good trick to check and ensure that you haven't copied anyone or are too close to something else. It's important that your logo scales well. You want it to work in small and large formats. It should work and look as good on a billboard as it does on a business card or shirt. Your logo and colors are versatile and look good over dark and light backgrounds. Consider how you will display it in your shop. Will your logo look good if it's cut on a router or made to look 3D? It's always good to think about signage and displays. It's a lot of work to properly lay out your brand, but trust us when we say it will be worth the benefits. Brand cohesion sets the tone for your business, engages your customers, and shows professionalism. It generally starts with the logo. Be certain it conveys the image you want. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more or have a question you would like us to feature in an upcoming Autoshop Academy video? Please submit your ideas through the link below or by emailing our team. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.